Hey Yearbook Gang, I just wanted to quickly show you how to access the calendar from the Lee Summit West High School homepage. Here you can find all of the events that are scheduled for activities. We will use this right now for spring sports and knowing when those games are and taking pictures because we will have to get to those very first few games in order to meet our final deadline. So here I am on the Lee Summit West homepage. That is lswhs.lsr7.org. From here, simply click on calendar. And it will take you to this view. As you can see, this still says February because I am recording this video in February. So I am going to switch over to March 2021. And here I just have like a weekly view. And I don't want that. I want to see the whole month because you guys are going to be signing up for a sporting event to take pictures at. So over here, I'm just going to click on month and give it a second to load. From here, you can see all of the activities that are scheduled each day for Lee Summit West. Usually sporting events take place a little later in the day, so you would want to scroll down, probably toward the bottom. I will say this first week in March is really dedicated to tryouts for the most part. The second week of March, let's see here, we start to, I think, actually have some games already. So take a look through these. You can see, baseball varsity at Lee Summit West High School. That would be a perfect opportunity to take pictures. Let's see, we still have a basketball game going on here too. Let's see, scrolling down a little bit more. Let's see. You can see that we have, there's a boys club volleyball team. We have tennis here. We really need to attack the games that are the first few games, okay? Because we don't have a lot of time. We really have to kind of finish this up before spring break. So we'll want to stay in the month of March with this, but just browse this calendar, see what works with your schedule, and then follow the directions on the discussion board to post the options that you would like to take pictures at. And hopefully we can get you guys to some games and get you a big camera in your hand so we can have some really nice pictures for this last little section of the yearbook.